Starting from the left of the screen, you can see a disposable gown fit for use, a green indicator glove in the middle, and a blue top glove on the right. Once the gown and gloves have been opened, they should look like this. For the first scrub of the day, please use the nail brush shown. You have a pick and a brush to make sure that you remove all the dirt from your nails. And now we're ready to scrub. Please try to keep your hands above your elbows. As you can see in the video, it allows the water to drain from the tips of your fingers down to your elbows. Apply the recommended amount of antimicrobial scrub. We use Chlorohex or Hibby scrub. And then follow the 12-step ayliffe technique shown above. Interlocking your fingers, putting your right hand over your left hand. Repeating for over 5 times. Interlock your fingers, palm to palm, making sure you're getting good contact. And again, bring your hands together in a class motion. We usually do this for 5 times or more. Interlock your thumbs. Rub the tips of your fingers into each palm. Using the opposing arm, work your way down to the elbow for your first scrub. At this point, you need to get the scrub off your arm in one swift motion, going through the water and never running back over itself. One clean motion straight through, trying to keep our hands above our elbows, allowing that water to drain off. Then we're ready for phase 2, which we will repeat the steps again. But this time, when we go down to our elbows, we'll only be going up to our forearms. And again, on this part of the scrub, we're just going down to the mid of the forearm. And with the same as before, wash off the prep, making sure that your fingertips are pointing upwards, allowing the water to run from the tips of your fingers down to your elbows. And here we're coming to the final scrub. Be aware of your surroundings. There will be 2 huck towels to dry each hand with. The principles are the same with scrubbing. Use each towel to dry your hands, dabbing down the fingertips and rotating down to the forearm. Once you reach the elbow, the huck towel will be discarded, and perform the same for the other side. When gowning, grasp the gown firmly, bring it away from the table. It has already been folded so the outside faces away. Holding the gown at the shoulders, allow it to unfold gently. Do not shake the gown and allow yourself plenty of space. Hands inside the armholes, guide each arm through the sleeves by raising and spreading your arms. Do not allow your hands to slide out of the gown, as the circulation will assist you by pulling the gown over and tying it. As demonstrated in the video, flipped over, using the gown as a tug to adjust the glove, making sure my hands are kept inside at all times. Following the same procedure on the other hand, making sure that my tummy is not touching and possibly desterilising the front of the gown. Again, palms down, fingers towards you. Slide your thumb, up through the cuff and flip it over. Use a tug and your fingers will come through. And the next, after using your underglove, is the top glove. For the top glove, just slide your fingers in, avoiding any contact with the outer glove. then use a hook carefully to bring the glove over your gown. Same principle for the other side. And then you're ready.